Imagine this. It's late at night, the world around you is quiet, and you're just sitting down with a warm cup of tea or maybe a glass of wine, ready to dive into the world of investing. Now, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and apprehension, and that's completely normal. You're not alone. Many of us have been there, at the crossroads where the decision to invest feels both thrilling and terrifying. Let me tell you a story about a friend of mine, someone who was in your shoes not too long ago. She was always diligent with her savings, but when it came to investing, she hesitated. Her fear? Losing money. Her dream? To one day be financially free to pursue whatever her heart desired. This is a tale of two powerful emotions we all share: fear and desire. These are the twin engines of investing, urging us forward, yet holding us back. You see, investing is not just about numbers or charts. It's about understanding yourself, your goals, and your comfort with risk. To start, think of investing as planting a tree. You choose a good seed, plant it in the right conditions, and then you wait. It's about nurturing it over time. The financial markets are your garden, and like any good garden, it can have unpredictable weather. But remember, storms are temporary, and with patience and care, that seed can grow into something substantial. One of the first things to grasp is the magic of compound interest. Imagine it as a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow as it goes. Over time, this snowball grows exponentially. Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's your money growing on itself, multiplying over years. It's the reason why starting early, even with a small amount, can lead to significant wealth over time. The key is to let time do the hard work for you. Let's talk about fear. Fear of losing money is the biggest hurdle, but here's the thing: not investing is also a risk. Inflation, often a silent thief, erodes the purchasing power of your money over time. If you keep all your savings under the mattress, they lose value. So while the stock market can be volatile, historically, it has trended upwards. It's like flying. Turbulence is uncomfortable, but the plane is rarely in danger. Overcoming fear is about understanding these risks and knowing they're manageable with a well-thought-out plan. Now, think of the financial markets as a bustling city. There's traffic, noise, and chaos at times, but within that chaos is order. Your job isn't to predict every move, but to navigate it wisely. Diversification is your best friend here. It's like not putting all your hopes and dreams into one single lottery ticket. Instead, you spread them out. By investing in a mix of assets, stocks, bonds, maybe a bit of real estate, you reduce the risk of any one investment derailing your financial path. Investing also requires understanding your own psychology. Ever heard of the term FOMO, or fear of missing out? It's a powerful emotional driver. When everyone around you seems to be making money quickly, the temptation to jump on the bandwagon is immense. But investing isn't about following the crowd. It's about having a strategy that you believe in and sticking with it, even when others are rushing in and out. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, advises being fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Speaking of Buffett, think of investing as running a marathon, not a sprint. It's about the long haul. The market will go up and down, often in ways that seem irrational. But if you have a firm grasp on your goals and you stick with your plan, you're likely to see the benefits over time. Now, let's talk about greed, the companion to fear. Greed can lead to taking unnecessary risks, chasing quick wins, and ignoring the fundamentals. It's that little voice that says more, more, more. But remember, investing success isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building steady, sustainable wealth. It's about discipline, patience, and learning to dance with both fear and greed without letting them lead you. Finally, reflect on this. Investing is deeply personal. It's not just about accumulating wealth. It's about creating freedom and options for yourself and your loved ones. When you invest, you're not just buying a piece of a company, you're investing in your future, in the dreams you hold dear. As you embark on this journey, keep in mind that mistakes will happen, and that's okay. Each mistake is a lesson, a stepping stone to becoming a better investor. As you finish that tea or wine, think about what you truly want out of investing. Picture where you want to be 10, 20, or 30 years down the line. Start small if you need to. Be curious, be patient, and always be learning. The market is a wise teacher, and over time, with dedication and resilience, you'll find that investing isn't just a path to wealth, but a journey of self-discovery and empowerment.